In this video, I'll show you how to deposit Solana to Axiom Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is open up and log into your Axiom Pro account. If you don't already have an Axiom Pro account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description. And if you use that link, it'll get you 10% discount on your trading fees. After you've logged into your account, you're going to see right up here in the top right hand corner, you're going to see this wallet icon up here. We're just going to click on that and that'll bring up this menu right here. And we're going to click on deposit. This is going to bring up your deposit address for your Axiom Pro account. And we're going to come right over here to these two squares right here to copy your address. And next, we're going to open up the wallet or the exchange you want to send your Solana from. For this example, I want to use my Phantom wallet. So I'm just going to log into my Phantom wallet. After you've logged into your Phantom wallet or any other wallet or exchange you have Solana in, we're going to look for the send option and click on that. And since we want to send Solana, we're going to click on Solana. And right here is where we're going to paste in the address we copied from Axiom Pro. And right here, you can enter the amount that you want to send. For example, if I wanted to send 0.05, I can do that. But I'm just going to click right over here on max and I want to hit next. And right here, it says where you're going to send your funds. So I'm going to send it to my Axiom account. Network is Solana. And this is the amount of fees that I'm going to have to pay. After you make sure everything is correct, just hit send. And there we go. We've sent money into our Axiom Pro account. And if we go back into our Axiom Pro account, you'll see we received the money. If you don't have Solana in another wallet or in another exchange, another option is you can go right over here and click on this arrow. And again, go to deposit. And when this pops up, we're going to go right over here and just tap on buy. And right here, you can enter in the amount of Solana you want to buy. For example, if I wanted to buy 1 Solana, I would just put in 1 and I'd go right over here and click buy. And that's going to bring you over to Coinbase where you can buy directly on the exchange. If you don't have a Coinbase account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description. That will get you 5 USDC for free just for signing up and depositing money in it. And that's how to deposit Solana to Axiom Pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.